Ready? Start. That order second rule 2 CPC and graft a laudable principle that prohibits vexing the defendant again and again by multiply suits except in a situation where one of the several reliefs, though available to the plaintiff, may not have been claimed for good reason. Stop. A later suit for such relief is contemplated only with the leave of the court, which leave naturally will be granted after due satisfaction and for good and sufficient reason. Stop para. That the cardinal requirement for application of the provisions contained in Order Second Rule 2 CPC therefore is that the cause of action in the later suit must be the same as in the first suit. Stop. Though the plaintiff in the earlier suit had claimed leave to sue for the relief of specific performance at a later stage, but no such leave was granted by the court. In the absence of the said leave, it will have to be determined whether the cause of action for the first suit for injunction and the second suit for specific performance was one and the same. Stop. A reading of the plaint in the first suit for permanent injunction showed clear averments to the effect that the defendant had wide later refused to perform the agreement and returned advance amount received. The plaintiff had also pleaded that the defendant was attempting to frustrate the agreement between the parties. The said pleadings left no room for doubt that on the date of institution of the first suit for permanent injunction, it was the case of the plaintiff that the defendant had no intention to honor the agreement to sell. In the said situation, it was open for the plaintiff to incorporate the relief of specific performance along with the relief of permanent injunction, and the foundation for the relief of permanent injunction claimed in the earlier suits furnished a complete cause of action to the plaintiff to also sue for the relief of specific performance, yet the said relief of specific performance was omitted and no leave in this regard was obtained or granted by the court. Stop. There was no merit in the plea of the plaintiff that since the period of 6 months agreed for completion of sale had not expired on the date of institution of the first suit, the cause of action for the relief of specific performance had not accrued. Stop para. That a suit claiming a relief to which the plaintiff may be entitled at a subsequent point of time, though may be treated as premature, yet cannot per se be dismissed to be presented on a future date. Stop. There is no provision in the Specific Relief Act 1963 requiring a plaintiff claiming the relief of specific performance to wait for expiry of due date for performance of agreement in a situation where the defendant may have made his intention clear by his overt acts. Stop. Order 2. Rule 2 CPC seeks to avoid multiplicity of litigations on the same cause of action, and if that is the true object of the law, the same would not stand fully subserved by holding that the provision of Order Second, Rule 2 CPC will apply only if the first suit is disposed of and not in a situation where the second suit has been filed during the pendency of the first suit. Stop.